Okay, Mechanibees. Now it's your turn to put the puzzle together.
Come on, Mechanibees. You can figure it out.
The Mechanibees did it! Komodo made it fun!
Yippee! Now it's honey time! It's working! Honey, honey, honey!
Rex sure does like honey.
This honey is yummy!
Oh no! The honey keeps dripping from the machine!
And the machine won't turn off.
Yikes! Gotta save the honey!
Look! The Mechanibees have lots of empty jars! That must be where the honey goes!
Hey, Mechanibees. Want to play another game? Okay, let's play Simon Says.
Can I play? Can I play?
Sure, everyone can play. Now, when you hear me say Simon Says, you have to do what Simon says. Ready? Okay. Simon says, jump up and down. Simon says, clap your hands. Now stomp your feet.
Oh, Sasquatch! She didn't say Simon Says.
Oh, right. Sorry.
Okay, everyone. Simon says pick up those honey jars and fill them with honey. Now, Simon says, take the honey jars back to the shelves.
Woohoo!
Sasquatch! Slow down! You'll spill the honey!
Mechanibees, quick! Simon says catch the falling jars. Great playing, Mechanibees! You did it! You finished the honey harvest.
Animal Mechanicals, mission accomplished!
Woohoo!
Mechanic, can we taste some more of this yummy honey now? Please, please, please?
We Animal Mechanical can!